Most people think AI taking their job is something that happens in the future. But last week, Microsoft published a document that changed everything. It's not a list of possible risks, it's a schedule. From administrative assistants to senior software engineers, the giants are telling us exactly who is being moved to the obsolete list first. But here at the other side, we're looking at the question no one wants to ask. If the AI doesn't take your job entirely, what happens to your salary? Today, we reveal the truth about the Great Devaluation. According to Microsoft's latest publication, the first wave isn't blue-collar workers. It's the middle brain, the jobs that require processing information but not making final life-or-death decisions. We're talking about data analysts, translators, and customer support. But the shocker? Microsoft highlighted entry-level coders and middle management as the most replaceable. Why? Because the AI can now do 80% of the work in 2 seconds. The giants aren't firing everyone. They are just making it so one person can do the work of 10. And in the world of business, 10 employees mean 10 paychecks. But one employee, well, you do the math. Now let's talk about the artists. For years, we were told AI could never be creative. We were told the human soul was the ultimate shield. But in 2026, the commercial world doesn't care about soul, it cares about good enough. If a company can get an AI to generate a logo, a jingle, or a concept drawing for 5 cents in 10 seconds, why would they pay an artist $500 for 2 days of work? Artists shouldn't be scared of the machine. They should be scared of the market. We are entering an era where human art becomes a luxury for the rich, while the generic public is fed a constant stream of AI-generated brain rot. This is the part the mainstream media ignores. Your job might not disappear, but it will change. You won't be a writer anymore. You'll be an AI editor. You won't be a doctor. You'll be a diagnostic reviewer. When your job becomes babysitting a machine that does the work for you, your skill level is no longer a barrier to entry. And when anyone can do your job with the push of a button, your value in the eyes of the giants plummets. They aren't taking your job. They are taking your power. So is it over? No. But the other side of the story is that the average is now the property of AI. If your job is average, the machine owns it. To survive in 2026, you have to be unoptimizable. You have to be the part of the process the AI can't predict. Because as the giants fight for efficiency, the truth is often buried in the dirt. And the truth is, a machine can copy your work, but it can never copy your why. We'll keep watching between the lines. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to see the other side of the story.